Hello there. Welcome to another manifestation tutorial. In this video, I would like to speak about the ego and how does it affects your manifestation. By definition, an ego is a person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. To have an ego is essential to our very makeup. It will define who we are and how we connect with others. Ego becomes an issue when it becomes overpowering. Everyone has an ego, whether big or small. In manifestation, and especially when you want to manifest a specific person like your ex, the ego can put you in a very needy position where you will lose a lot of time and you will have bad feelings from lack. And as you saw in the previous videos, your biggest enemy is lack, so your desire will not come true in your physical reality. You will receive bad things. For example, when you want to get back your ex, you have to sit down and think why you want him or her back. If your ex was who left you, your ego will turn on and your ego wants to get your ex back. If your relationship was bad in any kind, why you would like to get them back. So before you start the manifestation process to get them back, think. Don't let your ego fool you. If you have a clear feeling on your desires, you will manifest things easily. If you want to manifest your ex back, make sure that this desire is not coming from lack. If it comes from lack, you will see painful circumstances. For example, your ex got a new relationship, or he or she will be rude with you, sending you text messages that you're never going to be together, etc. Start to make yourself a new you, a better person. All of our manifestations are from our inner feelings and thoughts. Start to love yourself. Raise your vibration and the reality will reflect to that. So, the key thoughts in this video that think why you want your desire. Where does it come from? Lack. Ego. If you have a clear vision, then start your manifestation. Sometimes our feelings are not so clear. This is why you have to stop for a moment and think why you want something. Thank you for your time. See you at the next one.